The Dorman 939-101 is a steel wheel designed to replace damaged or worn-out wheels on various vehicles. It is a 17x 7-inch wheel with a 5-lug bolt pattern and is compatible with a variety of makes and models, including certain Chrysler, Dodge, and Volkswagen vehicles. Based on customer reviews, the Dorman 939-101 appears to be a reliable and high-quality replacement option for damaged wheels. Many customers have praised the wheel for its durability and ease of installation. Some have even noted that the wheel looks and performs just as well as the original equipment manufacturer, OEM, wheel. However, it's worth noting that a small number of customers have reported fitment issues with this wheel. Some have found that the wheel doesn't fit their vehicle as well as they had hoped, or that they needed to make modifications to get it to fit properly. Overall, the Dorman 939-101 17x 7-in steel wheel appears to be a solid replacement option for damaged or worn-out wheels. While there may be some fitment issues for certain vehicles, the vast majority of customers have had positive review. Make products reviews for any category. You can Amazon to join our community. Hits the subscribe button below, and if you notified, just click the bell icon. If you like this video, feel like helping us more, we launch paid campaigns. We can continue to create free review videos for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description below.